Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kambria token. Ticker symbol is KAT. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So there's a few different ways to get this token. First way, you can get it in a decentralized manner. So you can find the contract address. It's an Ethereum contract address on CoinMarketCap. You can find it also on their webpage, Kambria.io, or their Etherscan on CoinMarketCap, or their white paper also. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and basically you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the Kambria token using the contract address. Now you might have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, and just be aware there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off Uniswap. I also saw on their Etherscan it says Paraswap. Paraswap is on here. I've never used that before, but that's what it says on here. But most of them are Uniswap, or they also have it on a central exchange called KuCoin. You can get this token. It's paired with USDT or BTC. It also says it's listed on the Binance DEX as well. So those are a few different ways to get this token. Now, you can check out their webpage or their white paper listed on CoinMarketCap. They also have a Telegram, Twitter, Medium, 2 different Telegrams actually, and a GitHub on here as well. So yeah, their white paper is listed on here. Actually, let's look at their Etherscan first. It says they have a total of 1,990 holders, 12,995 transfers, 18 decimal places. Tons of socials also listed on their Etherscan along with a contact email. And they have a total of 5 billion tokens, 18 decimal places. So lots of cool stuff here. It says they do have a DAO. It says you can register for a DAO, so that's cool. I'm going to get rid of this off the screen though. So it says Kambria Open Innovation Ecosystem. Kambria is an open innovation platform for deep tech, AI, robotics, blockchain, VR, AR, IoT, etc. Via our platform with NFT, IP, marketplace, and DAOs, anyone can collaborate in researching, developing, and commercializing deep tech solutions and get rewarded fairly for their contributions. Through partnerships with government agencies, top universities, and leading companies, Kambria is dedicated to building a sustainable open innovation ecosystem to change the way we innovate and accelerate advanced technology development and industry adoption. Together, let's shape the future of technology where technology is open and contributing more to society. And you can click keep me informed, and that's most likely going to subscribe you to some sort of newsletter there. Maybe you put in your email or whatever. So it says, starter program with solution challenges. Kambria brings together solution seekers and innovators to develop deep tech solutions, starting with solution challenges on our platform. An end-to-end 06-month program to bring up the challenges from the real-world corps, firms, NGOs, rather than teams in deep tech, developers, and community, generate these solutions for challenges, POCs, and MVPs. This program is a starting point in Kambria Open Innovation Model. After that, these solutions can be nurtured to be listed on projects' portfolios to connect with collaboration opportunities in Kambria's ecosystem, licensed via NFT IP program for commercializations or open for co-owning via Kambria's DAOs. It says, are you a developer? And you can click on that, or it says, are you a solution seeker? And you can click on that as well. It says, project portfolio. Kambria's project portfolio aims to evolve into a repository of technology information, listing deep tech projects to help connect them with collaboration opportunities in Kambria's ecosystem. Either it is investments, partnerships, commercialization, or recruitment opportunities. Also, we have the Kambria NFT IP program. Kambria NFT's IP program enables innovators to license, monetize, and protect their intellectual property. Powered by NFTs, this marketplace is by developers and for developers. Innovators can earn license sales. You can also purchase IP licenses to develop inherited solutions without starting from scratch, therefore saving time and effort while developing products. By that, we can maximize reusability and collaboration during technology developments. Sign up now and be part of the innovation if you are a developer, data scientist, tech innovator who has concrete solutions, POC, MVP, and deep tech like AI, robotics, blockchain, AR, VR, IoT, and look for more opportunities in tokenization ecosystem to commercialize your solution, to upsell, cross-sell other solutions, or to test the market. Data contributors who have a data set for AI, ML training and want to license it via Kambria NFT IP program or marketplace. And lastly, here we got the Kambria DAOs. It says a way for a community to co-own a technology is now opening, and step by step we are coming closer to the vision of democratizing technology ownership and accelerating innovations. Each Kambria DAO is started by a dev team submitting their proposal to Kambria with a solution of technology they can develop and open a community to co-own, community collective, but the solution by participating in the DAO. Then dev team starts to develop the solution and the development progress will be managed monthly. The DAO, as owners of the solution, will decide and contribute to the commercialization of the solution as well as get paid for their contribution to the solution commercialization. So it's an open innovation hub. Kambria Open Innovation Hubs are global networks of developer communities, experts, sponsors, R&D labs, and incubation partners to accelerate open innovation in deep tech all over the world. They also have an education program that you can check out. Tokenomics, we kind of went over already there. And yeah, I mean, that's about it. You can check out their socials as well. You can read in depth their full white paper if you want to. Their partners are listed on here. They have all sorts of links to other things as well. Check it out, Kambria.io, and you can find them on CoinMarketCap. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Kambria? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.